Hey y'all, it's Grace with the LivingWell team. I am back in the tribute today checking up on this American Legend home for my clients. We have some insulation, so let's go take a look. Let's go take a look in this beautiful house. So before we step inside, I wanted to point out that your stone is here. So we have that all ready to go. Your brick has been here for a while. I know American Legend ordered that pretty much right when we went under contract and y'all made the design selections, since there have been major delays on the supply side with brick. Let me wipe off my feet so I don't track mud in your house. All right, looking good, looking insulated. So the last time we met, we did our virtual pre-drywall walkthrough. So I know y'all were out of town, so we just did that over FaceTime. And then since then, we also got the third-party pre-drywall inspection, which we always recommend that to all of our clients. It's one of the best investments you can make on a brand new house, just to make sure you catch anything before the walls go up. It could save you a lot of money in damages that come down the road, and then you have to tear out the wall, and it just makes a big mess. So y'all did that, which was so smart. And then American Legend has been wonderful about getting those items fixed. So that's great. If y'all haven't seen, Brent did an awesome video with our inspector Rod, and they go through kind of the important steps of what happens in the pre-drywall inspection, what to look for. And it's just super informative, very helpful. So I'd recommend going back to watch that if you can find it. So let's step over here. So what you'll see, all of this pink fluff, obviously, this is your insulation. I used to always call it cotton candy. My dad was a builder, so I loved seeing the insulation going. I thought it was so fun. And so they'll insulate up into the attic, and then your exterior walls. This wall goes out into the garage, so that will be insulated as well. So let me step out in the garage and show you that. They aren't completely done, as you can tell, but they have quite a bit done. So you'll see this garage is insulated, looking great. And then this will go up into the attic, up there. And of course your mechanical rough out is done. So your HVAC, all of that is good to go. Then all of this is your drywall. So as I've mentioned before, once you have the windows, the roof, the framing, all of that done, they can bring the drywall in, get prepared for that. It's pretty much just chalk between two pieces of paper, so it can't get wet. But once we're sealed from the elements, we're good to go. So we are fully insulated in our living room. Look at that big dramatic ceiling. And here is our kitchen. As I've mentioned before, this right here will be your island where you see those pipes sticking out. Open concept. Oh, I could cook with that view. That'll be nice. And of course we have our breakfast area. That's looking great. And then your primary bedroom back here. Take a peek outside. It is a big muddy mess out there, let me tell you. We've just been getting a downpour of rain. Man, it's horrible. I'm ready for summer, sunshine. I prefer the heat. I know it gets pretty hot here, but I prefer it. Y'all may not agree with that. Let me know. That's just my opinion though. All right, this bathroom is looking lovely. So I'll have your big, beautiful tub right here next to the shower. And then this orange stuff right here, so that's a foam insulation. And so that seals up any little cracks anytime you have pipes going directly outside. So it'll cover up any air, seal it up, just fills those little nooks and crannies, things that. And this will be your big closet. It's looking great, y'all. I'm excited. We are getting close to getting some walls up. And before you know it, we will have a house. I know only a few more months is what they're estimating. So I am super excited to keep watching this house come together. Y'all, we are almost fully insulated, which means we are so close to getting the walls up, and your house is gonna start looking real beautiful with all those design selections. I am so excited. Just a couple more months and y'all get to move in. If you are watching this wanting to buy, build, or sell, give me a call, text, email, whatever works best, and I am so excited to help you out. So talk to you soon. Until then, y'all stay blessed.